You have a choice, and I hope you choose the better part. Actually, you have a choice if you will continue listening or you will swipe up. But for those who choose to stay, here's our question for today. Are you tired of being tired? Well, go out and you'll surely find people who are tired. But have you asked the question, why are they tired? Check yourself also. For sure, you also experience tiredness. Sino bang hindi? Even if you are not doing anything, you also feel tired. And have you asked the question why? Surely you'll feel tired all the more if you can find the reason why. I realized that being tired is also related to suffering. The main cause, perhaps, is the lack of answer to the whys of life, sa mga bakit ng buhay. Bakit ko pa ba to ginagawa? Bakit pa ba ako nagpapatuloy? Or if you're tired of listening to me, perhaps you also ask the question, bakit pa ba ako nakikinig dito sa brother na to? Alam nyo, I encountered this book in our library and I want to show it to you. Embracing Hope. And alam nyo, yung author nitong book na ito, he is famous. Not only because he is a renowned psychologist, pero alam nyo ba, victim siya. Yung totoong victim. Victim ng Holocaust during the Nazi occupation in Europe. He is Viktor Frankl. Actually, he became famous dahil sa sinulat niya ring libro, yung Man's Search for Meaning, about his experience sa concentration camp. Grabe, pero nakasurvive siya. Marami namang nakasurvive dun sa concentration camp, pero isa siya sa mga nakasurvive ng masaya. Sana no, kapag nakakasurvive tayo, masaya. If you want to know more, actually, pwede nyo naman siya i-google. Pero what I want to share with you now is the answer to the question that I discovered kanina. Meaning. Meaning fuels our motivation to continue living our lives to the full. Meaning gives us hope to win the battles in life. Grabe no? Grabe pala yung meaning. Pero you may ask, paano nga ba makikita ang meaning na yan? Pwede bang mag-imbento na lang ng meaning para mabilisan na lang? Ito yung nakita ko sa librong ito. Number 1, when they have work or task to carry out. So dapat pala, if we have something to do, we do it mindfully. We are mindful of what we are doing. Number 2, when they are loved and when they love. Grabe na mukhang mahirap to. Pero, I believe it's worth it. So, kayo, nagmahal na ba kayo? Nagmahal ka na ba? If yes, share mo naman sa comment section. Number 3, when through suffering, they are tested by life and experience growth as a result of the crisis. But wait, Frankl rejects the idea that true meaning and deep happiness can only be experienced through suffering. Hindi daw dapat hinahanap-hanap ang suffering. Ang tawag dyan ay masochism. Masochism is never heroism. Frankl said, heroism would only be the case if the suffering were absolutely necessary. Heroes are the ones who triumph. The very fact that a person can turn a tragedy into a triumph makes us profoundly human. And so, worth it ba na mapagod? Worth it ba na mag-suffer? Worth it ba na magpakabayani? If you will ask me, my answer is yes. Kasi dito natin matatagpuan ang pagkatao natin. Kung sino talaga tayo. At kung ano ang kaya nating pagtagumpayan sa buhay. I hope that today, you'll also choose the better part. Good day, everyone!